Hello everyone, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. For this video I have an unboxing. This is going to be some metal dies that were sent to me. I was asked if I wanted to be a guest designer. The shop is called KLJUYP. I did buy some dies from them before. I will leave their handle on the screen and also leave the link in the description box. They did mention that it's going to be a carnival theme, so I'm super excited. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. This one is a cute carnival tent. You guys already know I'm probably going to use Carousel by Maggie Holmes for these projects. So let's go ahead and take this off. So it has so many layering pieces. So you get the tent right here, and then the stripes for the tent, some balloons. We have these little scallop design, and it has some sewing embossing details on it. You get this banner, all the layering pieces for the balloons. You get a star. This says step right up, and you get the curtain drapes and some extra pieces. This looks like a little bicycle. I like how big it is as well. You can probably make this into a mini album. I'm so excited to play with this. Next we have, oh, this is so cool. It is numbers and letters. I really like the font. So this is perfect to make your titles, and here's the numbers. Next up, oh, this is so cute. It's a Ferris wheel. This is absolutely adorable. And it's pretty big as well. Look at that. So you get these two pieces here, and then the Ferris wheel, and then here's the different seats that you can layer up on your Ferris wheel. I'm super excited about this die right here. This looks like fun to play with. Oh, this is adorable as well. It's a ticket booth. Perfect for Carousel, because I know their ephemera pack comes with a little ticket booth as well, so you can make your own ephemera with this. This is super cute, and you can change it up and make it into like a popsicle stand, cotton candy. There's so many ways you can use this. Oh, I love these. You get arrows with a different sentiment in the middle. Let's see, here you could see it better on this side, and it has like the little dots around the arrow, kind of like you would see in a fair, like with the lights. That's going to be super cute. So it comes with ride, food, games, fun, booth, and candy. This one here is a cute popcorn box. Let's see what opens here. This is super adorable. This is a 3D box too. Get the popcorn, the layering pieces. It's also a pretty large die. That's adorable. Next up we have these pretty bows. They remind me of the die from Michael's, the cute bow die. So it comes with 3 different bows. Here is this one. This style, I really like this one. That's super cute. And then this one here. You know, I love my bow dies, so it's gonna be cute to add into my collection. Next we have, I want to say this is a clown, because you get the mouth, hair, hat, different styles of hats, and then like the face. That's gonna be cute to play with. Definitely don't have a die like that. This one has circus animals. So this one has the elephant, the little ball that it's gonna stand on, this little star design, flag, so cute. And you also get a giraffe, super cute. There is 2 more dies in here. Yay, we get some words. Let me see if I can try to read them. Alright, so this one says cotton candy. What does it say? Cotton candy, carnival, tickets. Some of these are hard to read. I'll definitely do a project share, and then we could take a better look at those. And lastly, we have a smaller carnival tent. Which looks like this. It's similar to this one here, but obviously a lot smaller. Actually, no, you get 3 different sizes. You get the large, medium, and small tent. How cute is that? Alright, so that is all the dies. Thank you so much for sending these to me. I can't wait to get started on all of my projects, and also excited to bring out the Crate Paper Carousel collection. I haven't used that collection in such a long time. Stay tuned for some project shares. Don't forget to check the shop down below and grab these while you can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!